So hello, my name is Gabriel Dominic PL Tubar. So in this video, I'll be showing you my midterm activity 3. So as you can see here, we have all the patterns, the colored patterns here. We're gonna program it. So here, the program that I made. So let's run this. So as you can see here, there are patterns. There's is the patterns from pattern 1 to pattern 9, the last one, which is this one, the pink one. Okay, so we're gonna break down this. So wait, so let's begin in the pattern 1. So as you can see here, we have a def pattern 1 for I in range 1 and plus 1. So it prints number from 1 to I in each row. So as you can see here, it prints range from 1. Example, a number of columns increases in each row. So then we have the pattern 2. So it starts with a full row of numbers from 1 to n. So as you can see here, the code right there, the number of column decreases in each row. So it is decreased by each row. As you can see here, it decreases from here to here. So we have here the pattern 3. So the pattern 3 is like the pattern 1, but aligned using space. So here, as you can see, we have also the pattern 4, which is a right aligned decreasing triangle. So as you can see, it also decreases from here to 1. Sorry, from 5 here to 1. Then also pattern 6 right here. Then pattern 7. So as you can see here, the pattern 7, so it generates a centered pyramid. As you can see here, it's pyramid with a mirrored numbers. So as you can see there, then this is we have the def pattern n. So it prints a pyramid with the mirrored numbers. Then each row contains increasing numbers followed by the decreasing numbers. So as you can see here, it follows by the decreasing numbers there, as you can see. Then we have the pattern 8. So the pattern 8 is like a diamond pattern with a repeated numbers, as you can see right there. So here's the pattern 8 while I arrange. So as you can see, each row here has the same number repeated, so in a centered pyramid shape. So for it forming a diamond shape, as you can see right there. So as you can, and the last one, as you can see, we have the pattern 9. So here, the pattern 9, as you can see, we have a N5. So it is like a pattern 8, but the top and bottom halves are swapped. So as you can see here, kaning diamond siya paana, then pa upside down there. So that's all. Thank you.